Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to my video. That means so much to me. And welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome aboard. Thank you so much for joining this community. And to my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate that. Means so much to me. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's a hair video. I have this hair that I've been wanting to try for so long, but for some reasons I have never done it. But today I have the opportunity to do that. It's this Brazilian whirl. I want to do twist using this one. It's been around for quite some time, but for some reason I have never had it on my head. Never had the opportunity to do that all the time, but today I have the time to do that. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. Yeah.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
So my braids are looking super duper. They're not the most perfect braids yet, but I tried, considering that this is the first time I'm trying twists. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate them an 8. Let me know how you guys would rate them on the comment section. Please comment below. And this is me shaking my non-existent twist, literally. Yeah, otherwise that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, like, share, comment, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.